In this episode, I visit the China-Kyrgyzstan Luban Workshop to uncover how educational cooperation is blossoming. I will even sitting on the special class.
My surprise is they can speak quite fluent Chinese.
To find how education is weaving an invisible bond between the two nations.
My destiny, Now I think I should try all my best to develop Luban Workshop.
This is Kyrgyzstan, a land of breathtaking mountains and crystal clear rivers. And for students, it's also a perfect outdoor classroom.
Kyrgyzstan offers such kind of natural resources for all these students to do the water conservation, and now they're working on site.
These students are from the China-Kyrgyzstan Luban Workshop, an educational cooperation program established last year between the two nations. Behind its establishment lies a vision for shared growth.
This Luban Workshop project, co-established by Zhejiang University of Water Resources and Electric Power in our university, aims to cultivate engineering and technical talents. Among Kyrgyzstan's booming energy sectors, 90% is hydropower, but we've only tapped into 15% of our national hydropower potential. This educational cooperation can be mutually beneficial for both countries.
Inside the workshop, students now benefit from brand new laboratories and advanced training facilities donated from its Chinese partners.
Excellent.
Really?
Yes.
But the workshop is more than just cutting-edge labs. It's also a place to bridge distances and cultures. And I got a chance to join them in a class.
So now I just joined their Chinese language class, and to my surprise, their Chinese is quite fluent. And they're now learning some job interview skills that they want to prepare for their future job interviews.
Speaking of the future, these students shared with me their passion and goals.
Моя цель добавить маленькую, наверное, изюминку, сделать вклад в моей стране.
Моя мечта внедрить наш Кыргызстан что-то новое. Я хочу узнать, повидать страны, также Китай, узнать, что там, культуру и поведение, также технологии, и внедрить их технологии в нашу страну, в наш Кыргызстан. Хотя бы крупичку их знания, чтобы в нашей стране развивалось.
Partner institutions are also setting ambitious goals for further cooperation.
Through this platform, we aim to collaborate with Kyrgyzstan on talent development and scientific research, actively building a model for Belt on the Road educational cooperation. Our goal is to share a future of blue skies and green waters.
Chen said more exchanges are now underway, with new majors like e-commerce and logistics to be included in the future. Its classroom won't be just places to learn, but gateways to more dreams. Qinling, CGTN, Kyrgyzstan.